So just give me 1 second. First of all, let's talk about different types of brush pen. है ना? We'll talk other things later. Let's talk about different types of brush pens you can try. See, brush pens are divided into two categories. Depending upon, first thing is its flexibility. How flexible your brush pen is. Understand one thing, if it is brush pen, it has to be flexible. Otherwise, it is not brush pen. It has to be flexible. But flexibility can be too much, so we'll call it soft, like your domes. It's too flexible. Even if I will press it just a little bit, it will start getting a thick stroke. Fine, so it's very soft. It's written also, super soft. Fine, Camlin, again very soft. Then we have one more category which is called hard tip brush pen. This is soft tip. This is hard tip. Soft tip, you are already using domes. Hard tip is, I'll give you one example. I have some Kirin and Tombow. Beautiful brush pens. I'll make a stroke. I have to press it a little harder. If you can see, if I'll press it a little bit, I'll not get a hard stroke, thick stroke. I have to press it little harder to get a thick stroke. But the benefit is, upstrokes will come very nice. It feels like you're doing it with sketch pen. See, I can make such a long stroke in thin way. You can't even think of doing this with domes. It will start shaking a lot. Fine, so that is the benefit of hard tip brush pen. Good hard tip brush pens are a little expensive. So best brands are Kirin and Tombow. Sakura Co is also good, but it is not that hard. So for hard tip, I prefer Kirin and Tombow. It will cost you around 200 rupees for one pen. 190, sometimes in offer you can get it for 180. One pen. So if you want to explore, you can go for one pen at a time. Just purchase black. If you like it, then you can go for more colors. Tombow and Kirin. Now second category is depending upon its size. What we are using right now, that is large tip brush pen. In brush pens, we don't have any brush pen larger than that. This is the largest. Some people also have one more category, medium. I personally feel large and medium are almost same. Fine, so don't get confused if someone tell you medium tip. Large and medium are almost same. Second main category is small tip. So depending upon size, large or medium and small. This is very important. Large and medium, we are still using domes, Kirin, Tombow, all are large. In small, I have this brush pen. Actually, I have two, Tombow and Pentel. This is Tombow. Look at the nib. It's too small. Suppose you want to write handwritten letter to someone. Will you use your domes brush pen? It will not look good. If you want to write address on envelope, it will not work. So I need small tip brush pen. See, I can write that small with it.
Which brand it is?
This is from Tombow again. For Tombow, we have large tip as well as small tip. Its entire name is Tombow Fudenosuke. I'll send you the links in group. Fudenosuke. You can just remember Feud. Feud means such small tip brush pens. There is one more brand for it. I can't find my pen right now. Pentel. That also looks exactly same and it is very nice brush pen. Pentel. Second brand is, first was Tombow, Feud. Second is from Pentel. Both are amazing. Just remember one thing, logic is exactly same. See, holding of your brush pen, turns, basic strokes, alphabets, connections, everything is same. It's just little difficult. Why? Because it is happening so fast. As a beginner, trust me, you will write like this. Everything comes same because it is happening so fast. Please calm down. Do it slowly. You know you have to go up thin and then thick and then thin. You'll get it slowly. Otherwise, logic is exactly same. Brush pen holding, basic strokes, everything is same. Fine. That's it about brush pens. What else we can know? How to continue after this. So let's quickly revise what you know. Till now, what you know. You know your basic calligraphy with two tools. First was sketch pens. That is called for calligraphy. Now, first 3 days with sketch pens we did for calligraphy. And then we know brush pen calligraphy. Please practice it properly. Then you can practice your bouncy. That also you know all the logics. You just need to practice. For this, we have practiced a lot. We have not practiced for it. Please practice your bouncy style on your own. After this, if you want, you can learn one more thing. That is called flourishing. I'll tell you what exactly flourishing is. So what we do in flourishing, we make such extra loops. See in N, I'm going down and making this long loop. Suppose I'm making A. I'll go up and do something over there. So for this loop, these loops also, we need to do it properly logically. Otherwise, it will not look good. And there are basic strokes, there are alphabets, connections, everything is there. So if you want, you can learn this as well. Then it will create a complete package. Still, if you want to continue, there is no end. You can learn copper plate. You can learn Gothic. You can learn your regional language. For example, I can learn Devanagari, Hindi script. You can learn Marathi or Tamil. Whatever you follow, you can learn that. So there is no end for scripts, but at least this much will create a nice whole package. Done. I think that's it from my side. One last thing, then I'm done. How to write numbers and symbols. Same logic. Up thin, down thick. Suppose I'm writing 1. Very, very simple. Up thin, down thick. Make a wave if you want to make it stylish. Keep it simple if you want to keep it normal. 2. Up thin, down thick. Finish it with a straight line if you want to keep it simple, or finish it with a wave if you want to make it stylish. Fine. So just like this, if I'm making 9 or something, simple as possible. Up thin, down thick. Fine. Same with symbols. Question mark. Up thin, down thick. Or otherwise, do some research. And suppose if you're not able to write something in calligraphy, Google it. Now you know the logics, you'll get to know how we are doing it. Fine. That's it from my end. If you have any doubt, anything you want to ask, quickly let me know. Those who are getting late, yes. So those who are getting late, if you
Bookmark
want,
also we can make the same way that you showed on the sketchbook.
which thing?
Bookmark.
Bookmark, I think a smaller font will look much better. So either use such pens. It will give take little practice to work with these pens. I told you na, they are smaller. Otherwise, take a black pen. You have your black pen in your kit now to do for calligraphy. I don't think with with Dome's brush pen, that will look good.
Okay.
That's why I'm stopping the recording, guys. Just 1 second, Anna. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. Still, those who have doubt, they can stay back.
Mansi, I have one question.
1 second, ma'am.
Yeah.